Hello everyone, my name is Renz Ivan Molina from Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Block 14. We're gonna be reacted a video about IoT or Internet of Things.
And realize that you might not have turned off the air conditioner while leaving your house. Instead of traveling all the way back home, what if you could use your smartphone to know the status of your AC? And perhaps even turn it off? Wouldn't that be amazing? Well, yes. And this can be achieved with the help of the Internet of Things. Until recently, access to the internet was limited via devices like the desktop, tablet, or smartphone. But now, with IoT, practically all appliances can be connected to the internet and monitored remotely. IoT is shaping the way we live our lives. It helps us get a better insight into the working of things around us. So, what exactly is the Internet of Things? IoT is a system of interrelated devices connected to the internet to transfer and receive data from one to the other. A smart home is the best example of IoT.
I watched a video and I reacted it. So, IoT or Internet of Things technology, where interconnected devices communicate over the internet to automate tasks and improve efficiency. This case briefly describe the specific IoT system shown in the video. Smart Home Assistant, wearable health tracker smart cities sensors, and this technology works by using sensors called computing and data analytics to collect and process real-time information. For example, a smart thermostat adjusts the temperature based on user preference, and a security system sends live alerts to a smartphone when motion is detected. And the second one is the advantage and disadvantage of IoT. First, advantage. Convinced IoT allow remote control of device, making daily tasks easier. For example, voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home can manage smart appliances. Next, the efficiency and automation. IoT saves energy and time. A smart thermostat optimizes heating and cooling, reducing electricity bill. Second, disadvantage. Privacy concerns. IoT devices collect user data which could be accessed by companies or hackers if not properly secured. Security risks. If security is weak, hacker could gain control over smart home device or steal sensitive information. The benefits of IoT. Convinced user can control device remotely via smartphones or voice assistant. Automation and AI. Device can learn patterns and adapt to user behavior, making daily tasks easier. And the risk of IoT. Privacy concerned devices collect data which may be vulnerable to breaches or misuse. Hacker threats. Weak security can allow hackers to gain control over smart devices. Cost, efficient setup, and device costs can be expensive. And the impact of society. IoT has transformed how people interact with technology, making homes smarter and more efficient. However, it has also raised concerns about data privacy and security. Governments and companies are working on regulation to ensure safety implementation. My personal insight, I believe IoT has the potential to make life more convenient and efficient, but it also raises concern about security and privacy. Personally, I would like to use IoT devices like smart thermostats and security cameras because they improve comfort and safety. However, I will be cautious about sharing personal data with this system and ensure that security measures like strong password and regular updates are in place. Overall, IoT is transforming the way we live, but it's important to balance innovate with security and privacy consideration. Overall, IoT technology has transformed the way we interact with devices, offering convenience, efficiency, and enhanced security. However, it also comes with privacy risks, cybersecurity threats, and dependence on the internet. In my opinion, IoT is overall beneficial for society as it improves daily lives, optimize energy use, and enhance safety. However, to fully embrace IoT, we must address security concerns and ensure data privacy with proper regulation and safeguards. IoT can continue to be a positive force in modern society. That's all.